Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Tim Hardesty. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, solar ray tinted glass, and has only 40,511 miles on it. You can easily remove the fiberglass roof panel. If bang for the buck is your priority, nothing can touch a Z06. This Corvette has 17-inch aluminum wheels in the front and 18-inch in the back, and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a tire inflation monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corvette is in great condition. It has power retractable halogen headlamps along with daytime running lights and the iconic Corvette emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine with an automatic transmission. It has rear-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 22 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corvette has only 40,511 miles on it. At the back of the Corvette, you can see the large brake lights, the quad chrome-tipped exhaust, and the framed glass rear hatch with remote release. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it is very spacious. This cargo area also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. The front of the cabin is well appointed with a really nice solid black interior. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable leather bucket seating. You have a large locking console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corvette is also equipped with an alarm system, a locking glove box, and a digital clock. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the memory feature, the trunk release, the power door locks, and the power windows with one touch down. This Corvette has a very comfortable tilting and leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise controls. It also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with a Bose speaker sound system. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. The system even has speed compensating volume. You also have dual zone climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.